Okay, so I just got this bag today. I spent a lot of time looking for a bag and trying to research one that I wanted. I am moving and I was really hoping to get a bag that was kind of like a cream color or a taupe, sort of like the dusty pink, all of that. However, this bag, as you can see it in front of me, it appears a little bit more taupe in the video than it does in person. In person, it looks like a gray with almost kind of a purple undertone. The first thing that I noticed was this little insignia right here, and you can see there's like this little piece of plastic. It was like that on the other side as well. I personally, I don't like the look of the hardware. I think that's immediately my least favorite thing. I think it looks cheap personally, and that's the thing, is like I like the stitching. I like the zippers. The color, it's okay. I think I would prefer it to look more like how it does in the video than it does in front of me. Like I said, it's kind of more of like a mauve, a deep mauve, than like a taupe. And dusty pink is definitely a very inaccurate description. I could handle like dusty mauve. The lining itself, like this right here, this fabric, and then especially, nope, sorry, let me just, one moment here, get everything unzipped. Oh, these right here, this material, it is super thin, so thin. Like, I can tell that if there is any pressure, like you slide a pen in there or something, it's probably gonna bust right through. Yeah, I would say given like how much research and everything that I did, I'm a little bit disappointed, just because I feel like it's lacking in some of the areas that could have made this a really great bag. Size-wise, I'd say it's okay, you know, it's decent. It's got 3 large pockets, space for a laptop. It's got another double pocket in here. I'd say they're pretty deep. And then this middle pocket, you've got 2 different separation spots. You have your cord that I assume is to plug in your power bank, which there's a little spot for right here, right there. And then you plug in your charger. I mean, I don't hate it. You know, I just feel like it's missing a few key elements that would really make me very excited about it. So yeah, I just wanted to show this as an example to anybody. Oh, and there's this travel strap if you wanted to put it on the top of some luggage. But yeah, if anybody else is considering this bag and they were interested in more of like a dusty pink, I just absolutely wanted to show that this is not that color. And like I said, even though it appears to be more of like a taupe, which was my ideal, it is definitely a gray, like dusty mauve in person. So more of like a purple with gray undertones. So hope that this was helpful, and take care.